Okay, so I am back and I'm still logged in to iReady. And remember, logging in to iReady is login.i-ready.com. And you will again be distracted by these big rectangles. An easier way is, do I want to look at reports? Oh, not this time. Or do I want to teach? Yes. This is about the toolkit. So toolkit is for teaching. And so I'm going to pull this down right here, and we're going to see what is here. Tools for instruction. Actually, this is like a teacher text on a very specific item. Let's take a look really quickly. So I'm in math. I always select my grade. Let's go 8th grade, and you see the standards here. And if I choose evaluate expressions with integer exponents, you will see tools for instruction. It will talk to you about teaching this skill. All right, so it's really just like a teacher text. And so that's really nice. And we are going to go back because we want to look at the toolbox, right? Right. So that was tools for instruction, Spanish reading. This is only math. So math, and jump way over here. Look at this, teacher toolbox. This is where all the materials are that you could show on the screen. You follow your student textbook, and also your teacher textbook is there as well. Teacher Toolbox is very easy to use. Now, one thing is it often defaults to kindergarten. I was looking at this one time and it's like, okay, there are just not enough skills here because I was looking for a 7th or 8th grade and it defaults down here. So make sure the first thing you do is going to choose your grade level. So I'm going to choose 8th grade, and I'm going to look at lesson 1, properties of integer exponents. You notice the cool thing here is that it also gives you your standard, which also aligns with your scope and sequence. So yes, this is priority, and we need to teach that in lesson 1. All right, so at the top, it'll tell you what you are opening up. Here's an interactive tutorial. I'll save the best for last. And instruction book, that's exactly what it is, your teacher instruction. Practice, let's take a look at how we want kids to practice. Now, this practice, it actually tells you what page it is in their text. So this is student pages 3 through 10, student pages 1 through 4. And that's your teacher book and your student book. So let's look at the students. Just say open. And so then you have, here is your student book, and you are looking at this. You can put it on the screen, and students also have this in their textbook, so you can use it as an instructional tool. But let's say they struggled with this assignment. So in this assignment, if you wanted to use a reteach, we'll just go to the reteach and look at the reteach. It says small group differentiation. Sometimes you might want to start here for your students. And again, the same thing. It tells you where to go in the student text and where to go in your teacher text for this. You have teacher-led activities and math center activities. Now, remember I said I was going to do the best for last, and we have just under a few seconds left on this video? Well, that's exactly what this is. They are video clips to show your students. So I'm going to play just a moment of this. You see it's ready. You can put this on the screen, and hopefully I can record and show you at the same time. I know you're impressed. Cool, huh?
Here are today's learning targets. Write expressions that have exponents.
I know you love this. and so do I. But there are, as you note, video lessons for each one. You will love this. I will continue to work with you and help you use the toolbox. I know you're going to love it.